Suluada Island boat trip is a very popular option among all boat trips due to having the most crystallized waters, ultimate purity, untouched nature and a chance of meeting Keretas. Being labeled as Maldives of Antalya, the bays and shores that we will visit really deserve this title, and you will approve it as soon as diving to the waters. In a day, you will sail along coasts of Antalya and arrive to impressive Suluada. Looking like a floating crown on the sea, this tiny island will impress you a lot and you will fall in love with it. If you are excited already, let's learn more about the journey awaits you. Firstly, to start our amazing program, Suluada Island boat trip from Antalya, we will pick you up from your hotels. When everyone is on the bus, we will depart from Antalya and have a 90 km road trip which will take approximately 1 hour 30 minutes. No worries. Ride will be not boring, it'll actually be fun and entertaining. We'll pass by lovely places so that you will feast your eyes upon amazing sceneries. Then, we'll get to the harbor in which our double-deck boat waits for us. Crew of boat will warmly welcome you and you'll take a seat in your favorite deck. When everyone is ready to go, we will start sailing. We'll sail to Suluada first, to begin our journey impressively. Looking like Maldives, you'll fall in love with this island, its azure waters, shining shores and amazing image. During the given free time, you can swim in there as much as you want and fill your soul up with ultimate energy and peace. This exotic island will give you unforgettable memories. When time is up, we will come aboard again and start sailing to the second stop. Before arriving there, we'll have a delicious lunch on the deck and refill our energy bar. The Antalya coast attracted not only tourists, but also the famous Kereta turtles. It is believed that they are found only in the Aegean region, but they also like the places along your sea route. The species of these turtles is under protection. Therefore, in places where they lay their eggs, the construction of hotels is prohibited. So, thanks to the turtles, you can admire the untouched beauty of the local nature. The next stop will be Akseki Bay, which is famous for its small cave in it. And this cave is called Love Cave, or Love Bay, Love Island, with an amazing story. The most distinctive quality of this cave is its cold waters chill the swimmers. And according to some myths, the lower temperature of the water is closely related to the teardrops of a lover who cried a lot after being taken to the harem and ripped off her boyfriend. It sounds a painful love story, doesn't it? Do not get upset too much, though, because a perfect swimming session is waiting for you in there. You should mix to the cool and unpolluted waters both for relaxing and cleansing our body and mind. At the end of the swimming session, we will come aboard and sail back to the Adrasan harbor. If you like the content, book it now. Kindly requested you check our website for more options of Antalya activities.